two, 1, 2, 3, 4.
Those vegan guys. I thank you.
Hi, I'm Paul.
I'm Jason.
And together we are
Those Vegan Guys.
bringing you down-to-earth veganism all over the interweb and world. We talked recently about, did you see our recent very short taste test video with the Aldi burgers? If not, I'm going to link it up there. And anything else I mentioned, I'll link up there as well. We said we were going to do these quick taste tests with the products we've been buying for our shopping video. You guys say, because soon you're going on that side of the camera and I'm going to be going.
As always, I am thoroughly looking forward to the tasting part. So yeah, bish bash bosh, we'll whip through this and give you a pretty good rundown of exactly what's going on. Quick taste test. Bob's your uncle.
So tonight's taste test and recipe is going to consist of these two items. It's the no chicken strips from Iceland and the brown folded rice noodles from Aldi. So apparently these are 100 grams, 50 grams per person, 200 grams in a pack. So I've used 100 grams, got 100 grams there, measured. They're going in boiling water for 5 to 10 minutes. And I'm starting, this is going to be a minimal oil recipe. I've just spray oiled my wok. I'm going to get it up nice and hot, and then I'm going to chop this full head of chopped broccoli into it, half a bag of the chicken strips, and then and get the noodles in, and then we'll come back and I'll show you how to make a really quick stir fry sauce.
Hang on. Okay.
As you can see, I'm stir frying a full head of broccoli here, but I only put spray oil in to kind of make the pan non-stick, because it's not like classically non-stick. But this is what I'm going to be using. I've just made some cold bouillon, however you say it in your world of the land. And I'm just going to do that every so often so that it's steamed. So let's see how this turns out, and then I'll add the chicken strips shortly, get all that cooking up, and then we'll come back and we'll show you the stir fry sauce I'm going to whip up. Although, has to be said, you can get these brilliant stir fry sauces from Sainsbury's, and they're like 45p, sometimes 65p. Always marked vegan.
Yeah.
Absolutely, just really good sauces. But let's show you how to whip one up. So that will be when we come back. Bit more stock, Barbara. So you could actually defrost these chicken pieces first if you wanted to, these chicken style pieces, and cut them up, because these are quite thick. So I'm going to wait until they're a bit defrosted, and then I'm going to just, oh there you go, I'm just going to cut them into small pieces. I'll get back to that in a minute, because what I wanted to show you was stir fry sauce. So I'm just using some crunchy peanut butter, undesired amount. Don't forget I said minimal oil, not no oil. Don't get at me, Karen. Little bit of sesame oil, and it's just for flavour, just a little bit. Little bit of white rice vinegar. You could use apple cider vinegar if you wanted. Little bit of, is this light or dark? It is. Oh, light soy sauce, and then basically just mix that round until it becomes more pasty. It will kind of separate, the peanut butter will loosen and go into the other ingredients. Oh, and do you know what, Jason?
What?
Just because we've got it, and I know it's there, and we like our spice, as a bit more of a, let's turn it down a bit, as a bit more of a loosener, I'm going to use some of this Las Angitos
yeah.
chili sauce.
For a little bit of pep, bit of spice.
Just a little bit of pep, a little bit of spice.
bit of heat.
Yeah. And when when this is done properly and I've cut the chicken pieces up, or the chicken style pieces, and when the noodles are done, you could do this with just straight to wok noodles, because these ones are a bit of a faff. You've got to boil them and then rinse them, stop them cooking, and then chuck them in your, there you go, look at the sauce now. So that'll coat the noodles and the chicken lovely, and there'll be little peanuts in it, little crunchy peanuts. See you soon! Sorry, see you soon. Just getting some dribbles from the kettle in there. It was getting a bit dry, a bit like the desert in there. Right, noodles.
Try not to launch yourself.
Oh, I'm so sorry. Noodles are boiled and rinsed with cold water, and then it says you can serve them hot or cold, so I should imagine you've got the freedom to reheat them. I demand that freedom. I'm taking that freedom right now. Broccoli, chicken pieces, noodles, and our stir fry sauce. Let's get all of that in there, all that goodness. Oh, by the way, I did add one more thing to the stir fry sauce, and it was just about a teaspoon of gochujang that we had left. If you haven't seen our bibimbap video, I'll link that up there as well, because that's a really good one. Gochujang, got the idea for it, I've never heard of it before, from Cheap Lazy Vegan, Rose. This is going to be ready very shortly, Jason, and then we can get in the front room and give it a taste test. Stir fry, minimal oil. Did you enjoy that lovely pan shot of our dinner with a little bit of music? Jason does enjoy doing that, and I enjoy watching it.
We like to celebrate food.
We do like to celebrate food, and I'm very proud of this tonight because it is a minimal oil meal with a full head of broccoli in there.
Yeah.
Do you know what I mean? So we are actually tasting the chicken style pieces. Can you touch, darling?
Sorry, I was too busy getting my own piece.
I'm sorry.
To shove in my gob.
Help me. Help me.
There's just too much other things.
It likes us. Right, it looks like chicken.
It's what it tastes like that's important, isn't it?
Are you ready?
I'm struggling with my chopsticks. Okay. There we go.
Shall we?
Yes.
Oh, that's got a lovely texture. But nice and firm,
Yeah.
hasn't it?
It's good.
I mean, we should have really tried it without the stir fry sauce, because the stir fry sauce is amazing. I mean, it really is. It makes the whole dish just
It's beautiful,
delicious.
yeah. In fact, I'm just going to give it a quick mix up.
I want to try these noodles. Oh, they stick together quite a bit.
That's why I've just given a bit of a mix up. Mix up. Sorry about that.
You're not sorry though, are you, Jason?
Yeah.
Come on, that's ridiculous. I don't want that much in one.
It's a lot of noodle.
The noodles are beautiful, actually. They're a gorgeous texture, but they're very pasta-like. rather than noodle-like.
Yeah.
They remind me of a smaller linguine.
I was just going to say that.
Really?
But he's right.
They do remind me of a smaller linguine. But this is a delicious meal. We hope...
Oh, it focuses now.
Does it?
Now it's got a full plate.
Oh, you are clever. Look again.
I have my face and do this.
Yes, our delicious noodles and
Nomskis. Nomskis.
So if you don't mind, yes, we thoroughly approve of the Iceland chicken pieces. We've definitely only used half a bag. I know it's $3.50 a bag, but I've only used half a bag, which is a great meal for us too. High protein, low fat, great stuff. A full head of broccoli in one meal, rice noodles, which are really good for you, and a lovely, lovely sauce. 2 thumbs up for those vegan guys' noodle recipe. It's dead good. We just tried it.
The best.
Wait, we are those vegan guys. Love you, thank you very much for watching yet another of our videos in our crazy world. Lots of love, we love you, mister.
Love you.
Until next time, be excellent to yourself and of course, be excellent to each other. No, I'm seriously dead proud of this.
No, it's gorgeous.
Actually.
It's gorgeous. You know me, anything with a bit of nuts in it.
Oh, we like nuts.